Hey, this is Alan with AskCody. I just wanted to share some great productivity hacks that I really believe improves the way you use AskCody in a multitasking scenario and makes it so much easier to access AskCody. As you know, AskCody is this web login or this web interface, especially for when you are an admin user, a hospitality manager, a conference service manager, you work in a reception or in a canteen, etc., and use AskCody as your daily tool to manage your workplace, you manage services, to manage visitors, etc. When you normally log into AskCody, you go to a browser and open that browser, and you can sign in with Microsoft Single Sign-On, which I highly recommend that you have added to your account in your setup. When you log into AskCody, there's two things I want to share that can really make access in AskCody easier and make it even easier and more intuitive to use AskCody. First, if you're using Microsoft Edge as a browser, you can now add AskCody as a site pane app and access it right in your browser. So instead of going to app.askcody.com to log in every time, you simply just press plus and the sidebar over here, and you say open in sidebar. And then AskCody is now added to the sidebar and can be accessed right from every browser. So that means if you go to, say, any website you want, you can still have AskCody open in your web browser as a side pane app. When you have signed in with Microsoft Single Sign-On, it's always available. You have always access to it and can easily shut it down again. So if you are working in, say, multiple browsers, you could have Outlook open over here or the Microsoft 365 interface. You can also have AskCody open right in the same browser and always access it right from the side pane in your browser. Another thing I want to show that I think is extremely cool. Let's just close this down and then log in again. Is that now we also have the ability to make AskCody work as a native application running on your Mac and on your Windows, so that it becomes a native app as any other native apps that you have on your PC or on your Mac. So when you go to the management portal in AskCody, you go to your and open your browser. In the browser settings, you have a little extension icon called apps, and then you can say install this site as an app. Now I know I'm in Microsoft Edge. This also works with Chrome or with Safari, and then you simply just say install this site as an app. Then we can just call it management portal, AskCody manager, press install. Now what happens is that this creates a Microsoft Edge app or a Chrome app or any other app that I can now add to my my Docker here in my Mac or in my start menu on Windows. I can then set the settings to open at login or whatever, meaning that now this actually becomes a native application. When I sign in with Microsoft Single Sign-On, this is now a native application on my Mac or on my Windows, so that I can easily access the AskCody application and multitask in other tools at the same time. So now I can shut down my browser, and then I have the AskCody application here available as a native application. I could open my Outlook, I could open my Word, my PowerPoint, any other application that I want to access simultaneously with using AskCody. Again, the key to this is to sign in with Microsoft Single Sign-On, so that your sign-in is automated and super fast, and you have access to the entire AskCody management portal as a native application on your Mac or on your Windows, and can easily open now and use it without first opening a browser or logging in. I think it's a super nice productivity hack. I hope you like it. Bye.